Hello everybody, welcome to the beach. And today we're going to be seeing what's around the campsite. So Bonnie, this is the name of our yurt. Wow, how extraordinary. This is a pet-friendly yurt. Wow, that looks so cool. So this is the fire pit where we're gonna make the fire. Ooh, cool. There's some, little trails back there that maybe you could go explore, but not right now, Okay, you guys. So maybe we can head over and go see the beach. Trail to the beach is right this way, okay? How is the beach like a dog? That makes no sense. Because they both have fleas. 1830, shoreline was here? No, why? No way. I have no idea. Up, down, left, right, I'm gonna move my feet tonight. I'm gonna move my feet tonight like nobody's watching. 1899, shoreline was here. Eesh, this place kind of looks a bit creepy. I don't like it at all. Ah! How are the jetties like baseball gloves? This is starting to get weird. Because they both catch. Okay, what? How is the jetty candy? I don't get that. Because it's a lifesaver. 1940. Shoreline was here. How strange. Whoa, look at this rock. 1974. Shoreline was here. Wow, that's crazy. Know why? Wow, look at this beautiful view. It's so beautiful. I just love it. I know, so many hills, so many memories. Look, we're almost here. Hey, look, guys. This is the answer to the shoreline questions, Wow, what a pretty view. Wow, it's a beach. And I even see the jetty, too. This is the jetty. Holy cow, this is crazy. Ooh, seagull tracks. Look, guys, at this cool crab shaw I found. Okay. It's nice. Where did you get that? Well, I think I just got it in the middle of the ocean. Wait, what? Soaking up some sun. I'm gonna build a sandcastle, guys. First I have to make the base. I should probably use this shell that I found. Okay, looks nice. Pat, 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 pat. Ah, look at my beautiful sandcastles. Who cares? Shh. Oh. Oh, this is better than mine. Woo, that was a long walk. Let's see what's going on inside the house and maybe we can refresh a bit. Time to refresh. Ooh, look at this slug. It's so cool. Hey, what's that? Let's go check it out. Hard stuff there. Hey, look at that cool little tunnel. Ah! Wait, huh? What are you doing here? I'm just trying to do a prank. Wait, what? Puppet? Huh? Yeah, it's me. Why are you pulling pranks here, Puppet? As I'm a prank guy. Bye! Hey, look, there's a trail over there. We should go see what's over there. Hey, who's Coffee Foxy talking to? He's here. Hey, what are you kids doing here? Oh, sorry. Let's see what's going on inside the house and maybe we can refresh a bit. Ah, isn't this nice? Yeah, it's nice and all, but I think I'm done for the day. Oh, man. Hey there, Bonnie. Can I hang out? Sure. I might hang out too, but I want some mints. Oh yeah, I forgot, Chica. Your crazy mint addiction. Ugh. Ooh, the park. This looks really exciting. Oh, I love parks. Whee! Holy schmezzo, look at this mirror. Ooh, it's so weird. Yeesh. This is gonna be so much fun! Woo! Whee! Now for the sweet stuff. Okay, here's the big side. Here goes nothing! My gymnastics skills should take care of this. Well, I'm high up now. Eesh. This is kind of scary. Ooh, monkey bars. I could take care of this gladly. This is fun. On your mark, get set, go. Yeah. I won. Tuba my tubas. What is this? Looks like a wall climb. Ow. Man, those were some fun times at the beach. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, but it needs... Ooh, hey, maybe we can make some s'mores, Bonnie. Oh, sure. Ooh, we got the marshmallows. Woohoo, I'm excited. Oh, yay, I get to have some s'mores. Yum. These feel a bit hot. Ouch. South Beach, 2018. Oh, what a beautiful sunset. This is gonna be a great day. Maybe just one more. We found you, puppet. Oh, bye. Hello there. So, I really hope you had a good time here. Bonnie, Freddie, stay where you are. Don't head to that forest. Please, 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 please. And, I just want to say thank you all for coming. And see you in the next place. And bye. Please like and subscribe. And comment down below, have you ever went to the beach? And tell me, have you ever seen something mysterious before? Comment down below it. Bye.